is Jalen Myers, and I'm a PhD student at James Cook University. I started my PhD back in 2020, and I look at habitat use of stingrays. Specifically, I study how foraging influences habitat use in valuable intertidal nurseries. This past year, I have been doing some fascinating research out at Orpheus Island on the resident stingrays. This has been generously funded by the Morris Student Research Grant. With the help of aerial drones, we can see the world as never before, and we can observe animals without disturbing them. By launching my drone in Pioneer Bay and seeking out stingrays, I could follow them from above while watching what they do on my iPad. Watching the videos taught me a lot about how the three species of stingrays, the cowtail stingray, the pink whipray, and the mangrove whipray, utilize their environment. The cowtail stingrays fed primarily on smooth sand substrate on the inner bay. However, the mangrove whiprays spent more time in the mangrove roots, especially when the tide was up, and not much feeding occurred here. In fact, they fed primarily on coral rubble. The pink whipray also fed on smooth and rocky parts of the sand flat. However, they used some different foraging strategies to the cowtails, indicating that they may be targeting a different prey source. Results of this project have shown me that stingrays use different foraging behaviors and strategies within a shared environment. And this also suggests that stingrays are feeding on different prey types and utilize different methods to extract them. Drones provide us with a unique opportunity to observe animals in their natural environments to understand their real-time habitat use. And moving forward, drone technology represents an innovative pathway in ecological research.